I got my hands on these molds, and I have one for these guys, which are top hat gun skeleton faces, and also these lovely ladies, which look like this. I'll try to fix it so you can see it. Floop. So, woman cameo. I don't have her mate. I wouldn't mind getting her mate, but I thought it would be fun to film as I make a few of these, to show you how I'm getting the gold on there and baking it on there. Well, I'm not going to show you the baking part, but working with Sculpey because it's fun. So I have Bake Shop Sculpey, which there's different types of Sculpey recommended for different types of sizes of a project and stuff, but in this case I'm pretty sure these will be pretty sturdy, and I'm kneading it up to soften it. This isn't like anything complicated. I just thought it would be a fun thing to show you guys how I'm wasting my time currently. And I have Pearl X, powdered pigment, and dry brushes. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about making like the ones that come out decent. I don't like the way the top hat skull guys are coming out. I'll have to work with that a little bit and get some practice, because I don't know if it's the size of the mold or what. But if I get enough of these, I'm gonna make a hair barrette using these, kind of put them in a line. I think that would be adorable. I love stuff for my hair. I like hair accessories, and where I used to be able to find some really cool hair accessories like that hair bow of mine with the skulls all over it, a little bit more accessible. You don't find them that much anymore, and currently, even though it is the time that normally already a couple of weeks ago Halloween stuff would have already hit the shelves at our Walmart, which is basically just about the only store in town besides a couple of grocery stores. Not so much this year. We went to the Spirit of the Halloween store today, which is the first time I got to go in 2 years because of circumstances. And I'll have a video of that in a little bit. I filmed it and I'll put it together. And yeah, you'd think, but we went to the Walmart in that town where the Spirit of Halloween is, and their idea of a Halloween section so far was to have candy out, so you know that they're doing Halloween. But I don't know. I've always felt that there was a war on Halloween, but I'm from the 80s when I remember the scares with the Satanists and whatever, and the fact of the matter is people who are going to hurt cats try to do it year round. I should know. I have kittens that I will be looking to adopt out, hopefully, unless I get too attached. Okay. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to smooth out the backs, and I could take some rubbing alcohol and smooth it out. But since I'm going to be gluing them down, I'm probably not going to bother with that, I don't think. In fact, now that I'm thinking about it, smoothing it will make it where it won't glue down very well. So I'm probably not going to do that. I want them to be able to stay. So I should... Do I have anything in front of me? No, that's too big. Do I have anything with a small tip? This is nice and ruined. I'm going to score it a little bit. The scoring will let glue hold it better, because I'm going to glue these down, I've decided. Do. Most people have music. All I love music. This is my music. Music. Do Do music. Yay, music. Okay. Got them all nice and pressed. Let's see if I can get them out in one shape because I tend to. Oh, come on, you can let go. Let go. Let go. You. Why me? Because I said so. And to show you what they look like so far. I don't know if it can focus because it's black. It's pretty detailed little mold. I'm pretty pleased. I need to turn on the light, I think. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to try to get this laid back in shape a little bit. Now my, this is a little dirty looking, and it's because of the former things. If you have to worry about the back, obviously I don't have to tell you to make sure it's a clean surface and you make sure your fingers are clean and whatnot. I'm working in black, so I'm not too very worried about it. Making sure my brush is dry and fluffy. Just a very little. And I'm going to dry brush along the top. I love this turntable thing. My husband got this for me for my birthday the first year we were married, and I fucking love this thing. Yikes! Get down there. See, if you do too much, the gold just gets in all the cracks, and you don't want it in the cracks. You want it along the top to let the cracks come out and let it basically bring out the design. That one got a little too thick right there. I don't know if you can see, but I've lost some detail as a result. Let me scoot this up for you. I've lost some detail as a result. That's one. Do the next one. Oh yeah, la 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 music. This is my creating song, my making cool stuff song. La 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 creating song. Da 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 da. Oh wait. It ain't no fun to be a pigeon. It ain't no fun, you can take my word. It ain't no fun to be a pigeon. Everybody's always giving you the bird. One last pass over, I think. Very, very carefully. I'm very, very, very carefully trying to get very, very tiny a little bit. See what I'm doing. I wish I could zoom the camera in, but it can't focus, see? I don't get to have all these high-end cameras that people have. Wham, so sad. See if I can get it. I tried. Alright, last one. Doot. Tap, 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 tap. And hopefully the tapping is getting it into the clay so that it won't brush off and it gets baked in when I bake the clay. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. I like how on this particular one, you can't see it, but her bony eye has really come out and didn't get filled with gold this time, so you can really see her little bony eye. All right. And that is it. And that back up so you can see better. And then I will bake these. Well, back more, I guess. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? Okay. Bake them according to instructions. Without dropping them on the floor. And this lady has already been baked. And make sure my hand is straight. And the stuff is not coming off. Sorry, the video is so poor. One day I'll have a better setup. Good times. And then I don't know. I may or may not do that, but I'm thinking a row of them, like, or maybe just that and some lace, or maybe a few different ones. I think it's gonna be great. My little, because it's not like I can go to the corner market and get these things, right?